Hi everyone, I'm Johan. Today I'm going to talk a bit about the technical project retrospective interview that typically comes up in Meta's engineering manager loop. At the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of what to expect in this interview, what your interviewers are looking for, and a couple of tips on how to prepare for it. Quick intro, I'm from Prepfully. This video has been put together by Meta EMs who are also interview coaches on Prepfully. They've coached hundreds of candidates successfully and are available on the website for direct booking if you're looking for more personalised guidance. So, on to the technical project retrospective. For those who are wondering what this is one of the 6 interviews that create Meta's on-site EM loop. In a nutshell, this interview focuses on your technical depth. Specifically, your interviewer is going to dig deep into past technical expertise in a project you drove, from both the execution and delivery aspects, but also technical design and decisions, trade-offs, etc. that you enabled. They'll also discuss technical skills you might have potentially listed on your resume and discuss end-to-end EM responsibilities across these. The conversation is similar to an architecture interview, albeit emphasizing the retrospective elements, exploring how you addressed specific business challenges, rather than the prospective one, which delve into potential solutions for future business problems. There are 5 focus areas that will be explored. Understanding product project requirements, planning and overall business context, negotiating with stakeholders and peers, establishing and driving success metrics, balancing design trade-offs amongst business operations and development considerations, managing the scaling of systems and business processes. I have 4 tips for this round. Firstly, it's a 45-minute open-ended interview conducted by senior engineering leadership, and questions aren't exactly specific. They are hypothetical and experiential questions and go something like, tell us about a system, product or project you've worked on. What issues did you encounter? How did you resolve them? You should be able to talk end to end about a project, ideally a very technical one, which you drove. How you evaluated and chose between different project management methodologies and their relative merits, or example, trade-offs between flexibility and process in an agile environment, technical dependencies you identified and how you mitigated risks, how you drove the team forward when there was potential lack of clarity or uncertainty in approach. The goal of this is to flesh out how well you can simply drive topics forward in a way that achieves max impact and velocity while ensuring the team is healthy. Second, questions here are also rapidly going towards architectural design. For instance, how system design related decisions were made in your past projects, as well as why they were made and what trade-offs fed into them. And you might also receive curveballs around what you did differently if you had to do it all over again, or which parts of the project you thought were particularly challenging. So it's really important to be familiar with the architectural design and system design related decisions. Code examples and/or architectural diagrams are a good idea here. You can outline them on the whiteboard for clarity. Third, a huge word of advice. Avoid delving excessively into technical details that may distract from the broader picture. Keep your responses concise and touch the right notes that showcase your project scaling, driving and people management skills without getting bogged down in unnecessary specifics. Fourth and final tip when answering questions for these: always keep Meta's core values in mind. So, move fast, be bold, focus on impact, be open and build social value. And if you see an opportunity to plug these into your answers in an organic way or reinforce how an example you're discussing aligns you particularly strongly with one of these values, then don't miss talking about it. So that's all from me. This is our guidance from Prepfully on how to do a great job in the Meta EM technical project retrospective. Once you feel ready for some practice or just want a sense check of your preparation level, you can book an anonymous mock interview with a Meta EM on Prepfully. There's a link in the description below. In addition, we've linked to a bunch of useful resources for Meta's EM interview. There's a written guide which goes into way more depth, so feel free to check these out. If you have follow-up questions about the interview, ask in the comments below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks and good luck.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Our website is prepfully.com. We've got lots of interview questions there. You can also schedule a mock interview with one of our experts. You can find the link in the description below. All the best from us at Prepfully, and we hope you totally rock your interview.